Nowadays, you can find 3D printers at a variety of price points. No matter your budget, if you want a 3D printer under $400, or anything in between, it is available for you to buy. In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers under $400 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description box below. Number 1. Creality Ender 3S1. The Creality Ender 3S1 is the latest 3D printer in the popular Ender 3 series. It features a brand new design and several new features that make it the current overall best 3D printer under $500. It comes with an entirely new direct drive extruder from Creality, the Sprite extruder. It has dual metal gears that give you increased pushing force and help achieve better print quality with flexible filaments. The Ender 3S1 also has a built-in CR touch sensor that facilitates 16-point automatic bed leveling. This feature was previously found on more expensive printers and is a fantastic addition to the Ender 3S1, making it easier than ever to get great prints. The machine itself is also very well built. It has a sturdy aluminium frame that ensures stability during longer prints. The print surface is a magnetic detachable build plate that can be removed easily after printing. A simple bend and your 3D print will pop right off. Creality has integrated a dual Z-axis in the Ender 3S1's design, giving it improved stability and precision. The inclusion of an easy-to-use LCD screen, filament runout sensor, and resume printing function are additional features that enhance its user experience. Despite that, the Ender 3S1 does have a couple of shortcomings: lack of a touch screen, poor quality instructions, and underdeveloped firmware are the main gripes we ran into when testing the machine. With its new features, it has firmly established itself as the best overall 3D printer under $500. It makes for an excellent 3D printer for intermediate-level users, small business owners, and hobbyists who need a reliable printer that delivers great print quality. Number 2. Creality Ender 3S1 Pro. The Ender 3S1 Pro is the middle sibling in the S1 series and differentiates itself with some nifty features. Creality has included several advanced features in the Ender 3S1 Pro that make it a more user-friendly Ender 3 3D printer under $500. The S1 Pro keeps the same design as the Ender 3S1, albeit with subtle differences. The hot end is upgraded to print high-temperature materials up to 300 degrees Celsius, giving you access to additional 3D printing filaments. It also comes with a 4.3-inch full-color LCD touchscreen and an intuitive user interface for easy access to all the features. Compared to the LCD screen with a knob of the Ender 3S1, the touchscreen of the S1 Pro is a welcome addition. The spring steel magnetic pay build plate on the S1 Pro gives you excellent bed adhesion, durability, and easy removal of your prints. Again, an improvement over the PC-coated plate of its S1 sibling. The bed handle and an overhead LED light setup are also neat features in the S1 Pro. They make for an easy-to-use 3D printer, as they take away some of the hassles that are associated with 3D printing. In terms of negatives, the instructions that come with the Ender S1 Pro are still poorly written and don't do a great job of explaining how to set up the machine. The machine we tested was also a bit louder than expected, even though that could have been a variation in the individual unit. The combination of its excellent print quality, ease of use features, and overall build quality help the Ender 3S1 Pro stand out from other 3D printers, including the Ender 3S1. It makes a good choice for prosumers and business owners who need a higher-end 3D printer with advanced features at a relatively low cost. Number 3. Anycubic Kobra. The Anycubic Cobra is the newest line of 3D printers by the Anycubic team. It is updated with modern features and priced conservatively, making it one of the best budget 3D printers under $500 available. The Cobra comes with a typical 220 by 220 by 250 mm build volume that is sufficient to 3D print nearly all of your basic designs. Despite its low price, No compromises have been made in terms of build quality and stability. The Cobra is built with a full metal frame that ensures the machine remains sturdy during operation. Anycubic has integrated their Levic automatic bed leveling feature that calibrates the bed using a 25-point mesh, resulting in a perfect first layer print quality and good print bed adhesion. In our testing, we found this to work very well. The Anycubic Kobra also has some of the best print quality in its price range with very few imperfections. Its direct extruder helps with flexible filaments and gives you greater control over the filament flow. Its LCD touchscreen is surprising at this low price and is both intuitive and user-friendly. The assembly is similar to that of most other 3D printers under $500. It comes partially pre-assembled in a flat pack and takes about 15 minutes to set up. You will notice that the Anycubic Kobra is rather loud. Its print cooling fan is also underpowered, which can result in some print issues if you're not careful with your settings. It makes for a superb first 3D printer for beginners or students in educational institutes. It also is for hobbyists who need to upgrade their previous generation 3D printer to a brand new one at an affordable price. Number 4. Anycubic Photon Mono 2. The Anycubic Photon Mono 2 is a budget resin 3D printer offered in the Anycubic's long line of resin printers. It is the base model in the Mono 2 series of resin printers and comes with some of the best features in its category. The Mono 2 comes in a modern-looking curvy yet boxy design that helps to differentiate it from other resin 3D printers. It includes a 4K monochrome LCD screen that outputs a respectable XE resolution of 40 microns. This enables you to execute precise printing and reproduce fine details on your intricate prints. Anycubic has ensured that the LCD screen stays usable for a long time, and hence the Mono 2 comes with an anti-scratch protective film on the LCD. The build plate is also texturized to improve the success rate of your 3D prints and help with bed adhesion. The Photon Mono 2 is fully compatible with the Anycubic ecosystem, giving you access to various materials and 3D printer accessories. It is a great option for beginners venturing into the resin printing world and hobbyists who need good quality 3D prints without spending a lot of money. Number 5. Elegu Saturn S. The Elegu Saturn S is a large format resin 3D printer with a build volume of 196 by 122 by 210 mm. It is designed to be an upgrade over the previous Elegu Saturn and comes with an improved set of features. Its large 9.1-inch LCD is a monochrome screen, letting you achieve fast print speeds and get an increased screen lifetime. With a printing resolution of 0.048 mm on the x-axis, it offers excellent reproduction of the finer details in your printed models. The Elegu Saturn S comes with a big build plate to support the large build platform. The machine uses dual linear rails on the Z-axis. These add stability and rigidity to the printer's metal frame while enabling smooth motion. As a result, you get reduced vibration and ghosting artifacts in your resin prints. The Elegu Saturn S houses an inbuilt carbon filter as well. This helps eliminate the foul smell of some 3D printer resins and lets you print indoors with fewer worries. Considering its features and the large build volume, the Elegu Saturn S is an excellent printer for large-scale printing miniatures and batch resin 3D printing. It is ideal for hobbyists and small businesses looking for a reliable resin 3D printer under $500.